Boy who pulls out the fire alarm at school. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Okay. Getting ready for work. Okay. And we get the kids lunch money. Sorry guys. I'm sick. And sorry. Jake, wake up. Yeah. Yep, school. Okay. Staple, my glue, my pencil, and my book. Sissy, wake up. Yeah. Yep, school. Okay. Alright. Dad gets in the car. Alright. Oh, forgot my kids' lunch money. It's okay. We had to bring it to lunch today. We had to bring it to lunch today. I'm sorry, I had to come back because we forgot our lunch money. Okay. Mom, what's for breakfast? I don't know. Let me pick. Oh, there's nothing in the fridge. Okay, we'll just use bread. I'm gonna make some coffee for me and my husband. And for the kids. Some other bread. Guys, come and eat. Okay. Done, Mom. Okay. Alright, guys, time to go to school. Okay, Ma. Okay. Alright, guys, here's our lunch money. Thank you, Dad. You're welcome. Bye. Bye. We're actually gonna go in the car both together. Hey, I picked the seat. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Alright, guys. Bye. Bye, Mom. Bye. I'm gonna pick you up, Dad, and Jake and Sissy. Okay, bye. I have to take care of my babies. Alright guys, let's get in. Bye guys, see you later. Bye Dad. Have fun. Scan there. Bye Sissy, bye Jake. Meanwhile, at Fair house. At Fair Jake's and Sissy's house. I mean, at this house. And wake up. I'm gonna wear this red one today. Okay. Kids, wake up. Okay. Okay, Dad. You don't want to be late. I'm gonna make some breakfast. And my mom will have some coffee.
Come on, wake up.
I'm sorry guys, I'm sick and I had to stay home today. So yeah. Alright. Let's get ready for school. Your food, guys. Okay. Alright guys, let's go. Okay. Alright, let's go. Okay. Bye kids, see you later. Bye. Sorry guys. This is the school where we go. Yeah. Hi, Jake's and Sissy's dad. Hi. Bye. See you later. Bye. Good morning, class. It's time to do some reading. Okay. Alright, class, it's time to do some reading. Okay. Alright, class, it's time to do some reading. Okay. Hey, sir. Yes? Can I use the bathroom? Okay. I'm gonna go and pull the fire alarm. First, I had to ask Sissy to go into this classroom and knock the door. What is in that class? What is that kid? Why are you in my class? I'm gonna tell Sissy. Why? You're not in this class. This is a girls' class. Get out of here. Go back to your boys' class. Why? Because this is not your class. I just want to talk to Sissy. Okay. Sissy, Jake's want to talk to you. Why is he here? This is the girls' classroom. I know, but he needs to talk to you. Okay. Hey, Sissy. Yeah? What about if we pull the fire alarm and this will be so funny? But first, we have to go to the bathroom. And we can go and pull the fire alarm. But first, I have to wait until my dad is gone. Okay. Sissy has to use the bathroom. Okay. But first, we have to pretend that there is a fire alarm and we don't press it, but we are. Okay. Oh, it's time for me to go. I'm gonna go to the science class. Hi. Hi, what are you doing here? I was gonna do science. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's good. Okay. Blue and green makes fire. Okay. This will wobble. Whoa, that's very hot. Okay, we're doing this. at Dad's desk. Okay, now let's pull the fire alarm. Okay. Ring a ring a ring, ring a ring a ring, ring a ring a ring. Oh guys, here's the fire alarm. Okay, let's go outside. Oh guys, here's the fire alarm. Oh, okay. And now we have to ask what's going on. What's going on? I don't know. Probably this is the fire alarm. I don't know. Go to my class. Guys, where's the fire alarm? Teacher? Yeah? Did you pull the fire alarm? No, I didn't. I just went to the bathroom and walked in the hallway and there was a fire alarm. That scared me. Okay, everybody outside. Right, we're going. Okay. Let's go downstairs. Sissy, were you pulling down the fire alarm? No, I just walked through the hallway and something's wrong. Okay, everybody line up. We have to go outside. Protect first, not any smoke. Okay? Let's go. All right, we're outside, guys. Let's go, guys. Okay. Protect first, not any smoke. Okay? Guys, we're not going to the playground right now. There's no time. Ring a ring a ring. Oh no, there's a fire alarm. Let's go. Okay? Oh no, first fire alarm. Let's go. Hi, is there any smoke and any fires? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Daddy! Hey, sweetheart. I'm going out here. Okay. Oh, where's my dad? Hello, Dad. Hello. The fire drill is complete. You may enter the building. Yay, let's go. go. No, this is a science room. Okay. Alright guys, it's time to do some reading. What? No, not yet. The fire drill is made complete. You may enter the building now. No, not this. Sorry, picked the wrong class. Alright, put my goggles on. There. So nothing bad happens. Alright, time to go back to lunch. Alright guys, time to go back to class. Alright, class, it's time to go to lunch. Okay. Hi, I would want to get some sandwiches and some chips and some fries and some chicken and lettuce. Okay. Okay, here we go. Thank you. You too, sissy. Here's our lunch money. Thank you. too. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. It's time for the girls' lunch. So yeah. After that is for the boys' lunch. Right. Okay. After school, it's early release. Alright, guys. Class is dismissed. It's time for you to go home. Yay! That was the best day ever. Yeah. Alright, class, it's time. Alright. Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow. Let's go. Okay. Alright, let's go, guys. Mom is picking you up. And mine's too. time to pick up is Dad and Sissy and Jake. So yeah, let's go. Sorry I didn't bring you this morning, you guys. Alright, it's time to go pick up the kids. Alright, let's go. Okay. Alright, we're here, guys. Yay! Home sweet home. Alright. I'm gonna go to my room and do my homework. Okay. My flowers are dead. I should get new ones. Probably today. Okay. All right. No. Where is my uniform? Now it's time to do my homework. Alright, now I'm done. Time to do my homework. Mom, I'm done. We should get some new flowers and we have to get some more food. Okay. Jake, do you want to come with us? Yeah, okay. Dad, do you want to? No. Okay. Can I sit in the front, Mom? No, you are 8 years old, and no, airbags can kill you. And Jake, you can sit in the back, and you can sit in the front. You're 12 years old, okay? I'll get some money from the ATM. We can all get get it. Next time we'll get our money from our house. Okay. Let's see if it's charging. Yep, it is. Alright, let's go. after this shop, do you want to go to the ice cream shop? Yeah, okay. Oh, Mom, your flowers died and mine's did. Can we get new ones? Yeah, okay. Okay, let's go. You have to carry this baby. Okay, Mom. You too. Alright, let's get the food. We need cucumbers. We need carrots.
Summer's gone, and the lawn is overgrown, and the birds
We're having tomatoes for tonight. I don't like tomatoes. You'll be fine without them. Oh, fine. I can eat them.
I really hope so.
Alright. When you want to pay this? Yeah. Okay. I only have one more hour left. Okay. You have to get some more money at the ATM. Okay. Alright, bye. Now let's get some more money and we'll go to the ice cream shop. Okay. Usually when we have money in our old house. Yeah. But we move houses soon. Alright, let's go. Okay. Hi. Hi. What do you want today? I would want an ice cream. Okay, coming right up. Thank you. Here. Thank you. You're welcome. You, Jake. Thank you. Here. Thank you. I want to get a drink. Okay. Get a blue straw. Where's a blue straw? Okay. There it is. Alright, have a great day. You too. Oh wait, there's enough room. It's okay. Okay. Now let's go outside. Where is the baby? Where did the baby go? There. My baby. All right, let's go. Forgot the baby. You sit in the front, Jake. Okay, because I don't have enough room. Okay, let's get one of those drinks. More chips? No, I don't like chips. Okay. Do we also have a lot of cereals at home? I think so. Okay. Hi, how could I help you? Hi, we want to pay this stuff. Okay. Go. Okay, Mom. That was our last drive for the day. Okay. Okay, that'll be $25. Okay, bye. Have a great day. You too. Mom, can I get a gumball? Maybe next time because we don't have coins. That was a long drive. Now let's go. Okay. Hon, yeah, can you carry the food? Okay. Okay. all the food is stacked in. And now it's time to put every flowers in the room. Guys, come and eat. Okay, Mom. I forgot I don't have a banana. Alright guys, it's time to go to bed. Okay. Mom. You too, Sissy. Get ready for bed. Okay, Mom. Good night. Good night, Mommy. Why is Sissy in the room? Oh, wait, Mom is. Why is the shower on? That's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. Please subscribe and bye.